to see this. This shit is not hot. I'm about to prove it to you. We're here in the local Waffle House. I'm about to do it big, homie. Doing it big. Shit about doing shit on me.
Word.
I got that chick. What are you doing? You want a tea and a cherry coke?
Yes, ma'am. That would really help out.
Yeah, you freak.
All right. Round one.
That's one. That's not even a spoonful. Go on.
That's a spoonful.
Okay, go.
What? Yeah, you trying to do it.
It's number one.
One, homie. Open your nose a little bit, you know what I mean? Two right here.
That is pathetic. Go on.
What?
Nothing. Okay.
I don't want to waste that shit.
Okay.
Two right here.
How's that feeling on your throat, baby? Oh, is that hot, baby?
No, it's not hot.
It's not hot?
No, baby.
It's not hot.
Three. I want everybody to see three.
Okay. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead.
It's not hot. Hey, this shit ain't funny, alright? It's not fucking hot, though. Batman. That cold, you know, that cold I caught back at 6'7". That's all that is.
You want me to do it too? Would it make you feel better?
No, baby, you don't gotta do it. I just proved my point.